How to use DeepSeek AI. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I want to talk about an AI assistant that has been gaining a lot of attention lately. That is DeepSeek AI. So, if you haven't heard of it yet, you probably will soon because this AI model is rapidly going in popularity. In fact, it's already topping the charts and making a name for itself as a powerful, free, open source AI alternative. So, DeepSeek AI is an advanced AI model built to compete with leading assistants like ChatGPT and Google Gemini. What makes it stand out is not just its capabilities, but also the fact that it's completely free to use. That means you don't need to worry about expensive subscriptions or message limits. This is a model that's accessible to everyone. The first of all, I'll tell you how to download and install DeepSeek AI. So if you want to try DeepSeek AI, it's super easy to get started. First, you can head over to Apple App Store or Google Play Store and search for DeepSeek AI Assistant, and it should be one of the first results that pop up. So this app itself is clean and modern with a user interface that looks like a mix of ChatGPT and Google Gemini. So once you install it, opening the app will take you straight to the login screen. So when you first launch the app, you'll be asked to log in. You can choose from the multiple options. You can either log in using Google account, which is the fastest option, your Apple ID, or email sign up if you prefer to create a unique account. I recommend signing it with Google or Apple because it's much quicker. So if you use an email, you might have to wait for a verification code, and due to the app's high demand, some people have reported delays. Now, once you're logged in, you'll land on the main chat screen, which is where the real fun begins. First, let's explore the DeepSeek R1 interface. Now, the interface is simple yet effective, making it easy to navigate. So, here's a quick breakdown. First is at the top left corner, that is the menu button over here. So, when you click on it, this opens up a sidebar where you can access your past conversations. So DeepSeek AI automatically saves your chats so you can go back and revisit them whenever you need. Now you can go back to the chat, and at the top right corner, that is the new chat button. If you want to start a fresh conversation, just tap this button. It clears the chat window and lets you begin a new session. For example, I'm typing in hi over here, and then you can see that this conversation has been started. And here, when you click on this left one, there is a new chat that is of hi. Now, when you click on this button over here, it will start a new chat. And now when you go over here, you can see that this is a new chat. And when I ask them, how are you in this chat? And it's just for demonstration purpose. And when you go back to the chat section over here, you can see that here is a new chat over here. So that is basically how you can create a new chat. Now at bottom, there is a text box. This is where you type your questions and prompts, just like ChatGPT. You can ask DeepSeek R1 anything from general knowledge questions to coding help. Now, testing DeepSeek's R1's capabilities. Now that we have everything set up, let's test how well DeepSeek AI performs. Now let's start with some basic questions. Now let me ask that how many planets are in the solar system? Okay, now DeepSeek's R1 quickly responded with this. There are 8 planets in the solar system, and they are in the order of their distance from the sun, etc., etc., etc. Now, pretty solid, but let's push it further. Now, I'm going to ask them, explain why Pluto is no longer considered a planet. And DeepSeek R1 is giving a detailed and well-structured answer. Now, explaining that in 2006, the International Astronomical Union, IAU, reclassified Pluto as a dwarf planet because it doesn't meet all 3 criteria for a full-fledged planet. It even included a breakdown of the criteria, something that shows strong reasoning capabilities. Now, one of the things I noticed right away is a DeepSeek AI responds very quickly. In fact, for a general question, it often generates answers faster than ChatGPT. However, when I enabled web search over here, and while it did find the correct answer, the process took longer than expected. For example, let me type down this question again. That explain why Pluto is no longer considered a planet. Now you can see that I have enabled search, and let me just enable DeepThink R1 as well. And now you can see that it takes longer because DeepSeek AI is now first thinking. Now it's just going to demonstrate, it's going to think, it's going to, just educate itself by reaching out to other GPTs. And after that, it will tell me the answer. Now, DeepSeek AI shines when it comes to logical reasoning. It uses a method called chain of thought prompting, which helps it break down complex problems step by step. For example, let me just, test it with a math problem. So I'm going to type that if a train travels 300 miles at a speed of 60 miles per hour, how long will it take to reach its destination? Now, it's a simple math problem. And instead of just giving me a direct answer, that is 5 hours, DeepSeek AI explained the entire, thought process. Now it's, you can see that it's just thinking right now. So this makes DeepSeek AI a fantastic tool for students who need help understanding concepts rather than just getting answers. Now, can you run DeepSeek AI locally? Now, yes, you can run DeepSeek R1 locally. So one of the best features of DeepSeek R1 is it's open source, meaning you can actually run it on your own computer if you have the hardware. However, keep in mind that the full version requires about 1300 GB of VRAM. So unless you have a high-end NVIDIA A100 or H100 GPU, you won't be able to run it at its full capacity. The good news is that there are lighter versions available, like 1.5B model, which can run on a single GPU or even on powerful MacBooks. Now, after testing DeepSeek R1, I can confidently say it's one of the best free AI models available right now. So if you want fast, accurate answers, this AI is a great choice. So if you're looking for an open source model that you can run locally, DeepSeek AI is one of the few options available. So if you need an AI assistant without usage limits, so this beats ChatGPT 4.0. That said, if you're a developer or someone who needs high quality coding assistance, GPT 4 still performs better in that area. So that was how you can use DeepSeek AI. If you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.